Wait until you see the final result, because this is where it gets interesting. The difference isn't just about removing the hair. At first, Brazilian waxing may look like a simple hair removal treatment. But professional waxing removes unwanted hair from the root, leaving the skin with a cleaner, smoother-looking finish. And this is where you can really start to notice the difference. Once the unwanted hair is removed, the skin's natural appearance becomes more visible. The result can be incredibly smooth, soft-looking, and polished. But the treatment itself is only part of achieving that beautiful finish. What you do afterward can also make a difference to how your skin feels. Gentle cleansing, hydration, and avoiding harsh products or excessive friction can help the skin settle comfortably. If your skin is sensitive, irritated, or recently treated, it's best to check with a qualified professional before waxing. And now we're getting to the part you've been waiting for. Take a close look at the overall smoothness and appearance. This clean, soft-looking finish is one reason Brazilian waxing remains so popular. And when you finally see the finished result, you can understand why so many people love that freshly waxed feeling. Thanks for watching and for subscribing to MTH Health.